Hi, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap. Come and join me for a quick tour of the beautiful cards we're going to make this month with the Beachcomber Card Kit and everything that comes in that box we're ready to ship to your door. Take a look. The Beachcomber Card Kit makes 12 beautiful cards. The first set of 4 cards will have you making this awesome corner explosion card. Love this. You're great to have around in a pinch. Thank you. Isn't that fun? And the card even has a little easel so it can stand up on its own. We'll make that together. Our next card is just a simple single fold card featuring one of the tag goodies included in the kit. And our third set is a vertical slimline card. The finished size will fit perfectly into a 5x7 envelope. I can't wait to show you how to make this one. All of our card kits include detailed instructions and a video workshop, so you don't have to read them. I'll guide you through the trimming of all of the paper included in the box and then help you assemble each card style. And this is the kit. You can see we've got the 2 seashell prints here. These are text weight to help keep the weight of the card lighter. And then you get 2 sheets of each of these 4 colors of heavier cardstock. And then you get 2 sheets of printed cut aparts. Now these are all mapped out so that the outside and inside sentiments on the card are taken care of. I'll show you how to embellish your cards with the 3 different styles of coordinating ribbon. You'll also have these 4 aqua tags, a set of 4 sparkly shell appliques, and a set of 4 pearly shell laser cuts. Once you finish making all of your cards, you're going to want to put them in the mail. We've got you covered. You'll get 4 each of the 3 different card sizes we're making for a total of 12 envelopes right in your kit. I hope I've tempted you to give Club Scrap a try. Pick up your Beachcomber Card Kit today and let's make these cards together. I really look forward to seeing you in my workshop.